CPM Crown's Lifecycle 360 is your single source for a suite of support services that will help you optimize the full lifecycle of your oilseed, renewable fuels, or specialty processing facility. Our maintenance support services offer comprehensive upkeep for all your plant operations so that you can achieve more uptime.
I would describe maintenance support as a help to the customer when the plant is shut down. We go and do a thorough inspection of all the equipment, and we talk to their maintenance crew on how to prolong the life of their equipment. We help them replace spare parts, wearable parts, identify what parts need to be changed, what are critical parts that need to be kept on stock for that plant to continue running 24 hours a day. We try to collect data from them, and obviously we know when things have gone wrong. So we try to create a maintenance plan that they can stick to, they can adhere to. We can help them to do things every day on the plant that need to be done and ensure they are being done by following a checklist, and every year doing this routine maintenance that then becomes the norm to the new people that are coming into the new plants. I travel the world, so I have customers from west coast of America to Indonesia who will contact me all the time just with questions, queries, and it's nice to give the questions answers, and then you build a relationship and they always come back to us with a fair stock to come back to their plants. As soon as we can get there, we can figure out what the problem is and help them get back up and running as quick as we can.
Our field service specialists have designed and maintained thousands of facilities worldwide while applying regional sensitivity around culture, language, and relationships. Improve your plant's life cycle and achieve your cost and production goals. CPM Crown's maintenance support provides unparalleled partnership and expertise when caring for the heart of your plant.